got a feather in my cap and a song in my soul. Feel the rhythm of the wind, let the good times roll. We're like birds of a feather, flying high and free. In this crazy world, it's just you and me.
Sunrise waking up the dreams in our mind. Chirp, chirp, baby, leave the worries behind. Through stormy weather, we keep dancing on, singing loud and proud from dusk till dawn. Birds of a feather flock together, no matter the storm or what the weather. Free as the wind, light as a feather. We're in this together, now and forever. In the quiet night, under moon's soft glow, whistle tunes of love while the river flows. Whisper secrets only stars can tell. Echoes of our hearts